All right, friends, today you have an easy page to do. These pages are they're farther back than what we were doing with our activity pages. So you might think this is easy. I've already done things like this, and you probably have, but it's always good to practice just so we don't forget. So today on our Math Mountains, everything is here except for the tiny tumblers. So all you have to do is look at the numbers at the bottom of each side of the math mountain. That's how many tiny tumblers you're going to draw. So on this side of the math mountain, we only need one tiny tumbler. And on this side, we need five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to use our counting on to see if we got 6 tiny tumblers all together. So we're going to start counting after 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I like to actually say this one kind of 2 times. It makes it a little bit more natural when you're counting on. So it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did get 6. Woohoo! Let's try the next one. How many tiny tumblers will we need on the left side of the math mountain? 2. 1, 2. And how many tiny tumblers do we need on the right side of the math mountain? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is the part, moms and dads, where the kids are going to get even better practice out of this if we do more than just have them draw the circles. If we have them count on, that's great practice for finding the missing partners, something that they'll be doing a lot in first grade. So that would be starting at the number 2 and counting on to 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we got 6. And that way we can remember that math mountains help us put numbers together to find a total. And that would be like using a plus sign, right? Plus, plus put together. All right, now let's try the next one. How many tiny tumblers will go on the left side of the math mountain? 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many tiny tumblers will go on the right side of the math mountain? 1, 2, 3. Now, what do we get when we do 3 plus 3? And I'm just imagining a plus sign here. We don't need to put one in, but that's pretty much what we're doing. We're putting these two groups together to see, did we get it? Did we get 6? So we're going to start by counting on from 3, 4, 5, 6. We did. So friends, you can do the rest of this page, but remember to count them all up at the end to double check, to check again that you got the right total. And notice that the total sometimes changes. Here it's 2, and then here it's 5 for these next ones, and then it changes to 3, and then 4. So you want to make sure that you're counting up to that number. On the back of page 79 is page 80. On page 80, you're going to draw a line to show partners of 10. This is also something we've done a whole bunch of times, so it should be pretty easy for you. We're going to start with a line, a break apart stick, and each time we move to a new box, we're just going to move the stick over one. So what partners am I showing right here? 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. When we move to this box, we'll just make our break apart stick move to the next muffin. So move it over 1. Instead of 1 in front, now we have 2. And our partners are 2 and what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 8. We had 2 in front. Let's move the stick over one more time and put 3 at the front. And that means our first partner is 3, and our second partner is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, then you just keep going that way until you get to the bottom.